All right, so I'm done with the last section. Let me show you. Mangrove is empty. So dry these days. It rains a lot, but still. So, yeah. See? That's it. I need to make a better side here, but for now it's gonna be okay. Need to spray foam a little bit more. Spray foam on the side, but it's okay for now. This is how it looks like until we get the final product. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Dreamstead. All right, so I'm heading to Frederiksted, but before I go, enjoy. It's so nice here. It's very relaxing. Carambola from Croix, tide pools. That's how it looks like. It's starting to get I'm gonna start see if I can paint tomorrow morning the section here before I leave. So tomorrow is Saturday. That's it, the last day. Was here 7 days, working 7 working days. So yeah. So it looks like it's gonna look so good once I have the other sections on top, you know, like I show you previous video. And here at the end I have temporary did the line, horizontal line, the siding. I have to figure out the corner. Most likely I'm gonna wrap it up with wood. Because yeah, more spray foam and stuff, and I'll do the flashing on top as well. So yeah, again, Dreamstead, subscribe. All right, so I'm here in Frederiksted, Stilt Beach. My friend told me that they were starting to build something, but I guess they had the container or something just for a short period of time. That's not there anymore. So the beach is so nice here. Let me show you. I came here with my kids, with Charles and Kira, last time. The beauty of this place is there's no wave, so the water stay crystal clear. Yeah, next time I'll bring the drone. I'll do a drone shot, but it's so nice. So this is the land we're planning to purchase the first time, but recently I was told that it was purchased, it was sold. And actually not told, but the guy who purchased it told me. So they're supposed to build something, we'll see. So these are 3W1 land, and this one here is an R3, but it was the same owner, but there's a lady who purchased the place here. So I see they start like cutting the grass and stuff, but I don't know. There's a big mango tree there, papaya tree I mean, but hey. It's a nice day, it's not too hot, but the water here is so clear, crystal clear, so nice. So I'm here at Rainbow Beach. It's the first time I come here. I know, I don't visit much. When I come here, I just work. But hey, we're getting closer. Good, thanks. So here's the place. It's nice, nice, nice. Beach, see the water, so nice. There's no wind today. I don't think there's wind. There's one guy doing paddle boarding, but it's not a place to do windsurfing or kiting here for sure. It's always pretty flat and nice, so it's probably a better place to come and bring my parents here next time, and the babies obviously. All right, it's time to get some booze. All right, so I'm here at the Rainbow. What's the place name? Rhythms, yeah, Rhythms. So I'm here with Charles. I'm having like tacos.
Food, good food.
Yeah, good food. The view is nice too. A lot of people at the beach, a lot of people at the restaurant. So it's Friday, day 7, and tomorrow I'm leaving, unfortunately. So, alright. Here's an example of a guy that did the same thing. 20 foot. Interesting. All right, I'm here on the island. Obviously, it's how we call it, shitty bucks or baby bucks. It's time for the baby bucks to get the oil change. And I'm here in Frederiksted at Extreme Auto Care Center. So since I had lunch at the Rainbow place, I figured out that it's have the oil change around Frederiksted. So first time I come here, so they have openings right away, so I didn't have to wait. Just came here and that's it. These guys gonna do it for me. That's good. All right, let's go get some drink. So I'm here at the Sorbetière having some ice cream. I took pistachio. It's a local ice cream shop here in St. Croix, and then yeah, so there is good ice cream. So yeah, tonight I'm having dinner at Mike, and I purchased some rosé Manon. It's Côte de Provence. It's from France. So yeah, so having some ice cream and then heading to Mike's place.